Hello, I am Mr. Ulikati SS from Gandhinath RNG College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. We have started the chapter 2, that is antiseptic and disinfectant. Today we start the part 7. First, today we will see some revision. In last lecture we saw the benzalkonium chloride. We have started the drugs. In that first we saw the benzalkonium chloride. It is a mixture of alkyl, benzyl, dimethyl, ammonium chloride. These are the quaternary ammonium salt compounds having ionizing power on and having general molecular formula is N plus R4X minus. This is the general formula and this is the structure. In that the R may be alkyl radical having 8 to 18 carbon molecule. This is the R. This is containing alkyl radical having 8 to 18 carbon containing compounds. This is the benzalkonium chloride. We saw the nature, that is physical property, nature, color, odor, taste and effect of light and solubility. Next we saw the chemical properties. Next we saw the stability and storage. Next is uses, that is very important. This is 0.02% solution act as an antiseptic for skin and mucous membrane. This is mainly act as an antiseptic for skin and mucous membrane at a concentration 0.2%. Next concentration, that is 0.5% solution used for the storing surgical instrument. This is used for the storing the surgical instruments. The next concentration, that is 0.05% solution for the irrigation of bladder, urethra and vagina. These are the some uses of this compound. The brand name is benzalkonium chloride. So official name is benzalkonium chloride solution IP and BP. These are the form in IP and BP form. Next one is the brand name. It is Germinal and Germiton, etc. These are the two brand names. Next compound we saw the citramide. It is also a quaternary compound. There will be some nature, color, odor, taste. These are the some physical properties. Next one we saw the chemical properties. Uses are, it is used as an aqueous solution and creams containing up to 1% citramide to treat the burns and wounds. This is mainly used for the treatment of burns and wounds at the concentration of 1% citramide. These are the use. It is also used for the aqueous solution used for the cleaning the skin in pre-operative procedure. Also disinfectant the vessels and surgical instruments. It is also used as a preservative. These are some uses, and also for the emulsifying agent. The official preparations is, it is in the form of citramide IP and BP. It is also in the form of cream, emulsifying cream, and also emulsifying ointment BP, and also wax BP. These are some official preparations. The brand name is Savlon. The next group, that is aldehyde derivative. Already we know the what is meant by aldehyde. What is the formula of aldehyde? Aldehyde, that is the RCHO. In that first example is formaldehyde. This is the formaldehyde. This is the hydrogen, this is carbon, this is hydrogen, this is oxygen. The general formula is RCHO. This is the, in replaced by R, there will be a hydrogen is attached, so that it is called as a primary compound, that is formaldehyde. CHO, this is the functional group of aldehyde. This is compound is formaldehyde. Actually this is the gaseous form. Formaldehyde is a gas having formula is CHO. This is one of the simple formula of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde gas dissolves in water to form the formaldehyde solution. An aqueous solution of it containing 34 to 38 weight by weight formaldehyde with adding the methanol. Why we are added the methanol in this compound? Methanol is added to prevent the polymerization of formaldehyde to form the solid para-formaldehyde. Actually required in the form of aqueous solution, not in the form of solid solution, solid form. Okay, so that we are added the methanol. ओके, आपण याच्यामध्ये मिथेनॉल काय ऍड करतो, जे काय आपलं फॉर्मल्डिहाइड आहे ते आपल्याला लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये पाहिजे, दॅट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ॲक्वियस फॉर्म. आपल्याला सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये नको आहे, फक्त ते आपल्याला ॲक्वियस फॉर्म मध्ये पाहिजे. जर का सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये झालं त्याचा आपला यूज होणार नाही, त्यासाठी आपण याच्यामध्ये मिथेनॉल ऍड करतो. हे तुम्हाला वायवाला विचारतील, वाय मिथेनॉल इज ऍडेड इन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. ओके, दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. नेक्स्ट वी सॉ द physical property. Nature is liquid, color is colorless, odor is characteristic pungent and irritating odor. This is the odor. Taste is burning taste. Next one is the effect of light and air. Standing of longer time produces the white cloudy PPT. However, the warming solution PPT disappears. जर करता आपण हे जास्त वेळ जर करता आपण ठेवलं, एका ठिकाणी ठेवलं, जर का त्याला शेक न करता, इट विल बिकम्स क्लाउडी पीपीटी. आणि त्याला जर करता आपण वॉर्म केलं, त्याला जर करता आपण थोडंसं हीट केलं, गरम केलं, इट विल बिकम्स अगेन द पीपीटी डिसअपियर्स. दे अगेन फॉर्म्स द सोल्यूशन. दॅट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ लाइट अँड एअर. नेक्स्ट इज द solubility, miscible with water and alcohol. These are the some physical property. Next one is the chemical property. Formaldehyde is powerful reducing agent and it radial oxidized to form a formic acid. जेव्हा जर करता आपण अल्डिहाइड मध्ये आपण फॉर्मल्डिहाइड मध्ये जर करता आपण ऑक्सिजन ऍड केलं, इट बिकम्स फॉर्मिक ऍसिड. ऍसिड तयार होतो. अल्डिहाइड विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऍसिड. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द chemical property. It also reduces the failing solution KMnO4 and ammonical silver nitrate. It is also formaldehyde solution mixed with ammonia and liquid allowed evaporate on water bath to form a hexamine. जर करता अपन CH2O when reacted with the ammonia, that is NH3, it forms the hexamine. This is the aldehyde will be reacted with the ammonia, it forms the hexamine and water. Next is the stability and storage. It must be stored in well closed container in moderately warm place. Contact with rubber plastic should be avoided. हे आपल्याला ॲक्च्युली थोडंफार वॉर्म प्लेसमध्ये आपल्याला ठेवावं लागेल. आणि कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ रबर अँड प्लास्टिक शुड बी अवॉइडेड. जर करता हे रबर आणि प्लास्टिकच्या कंटेनरवर ठेवलं नाही तर त्याचं कॅप असेल रबर अँड प्लास्टिकचं, इट विल बी रिॲक्टेड विथ दॅट कंपाऊंड. सो दॅट वी आर अवॉइडेड दी रबर अँड प्लास्टिक. नेक्स्ट वन इज दी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, दॅट इज uses. It is mainly used as a disinfectant and disinfection of the wounds by fumigation. जर का त्याचं आपण फ्युम्स तयार केलं, जिथं वुंड्स झालेले आहेत, जिथे इन्फेक्शन झालं आहे, तिथं आपण फ्युमिगेशन केलं, दॅट विल बी ॲक्ट एज अ डिसइन्फेक्शन और डिसइन्फेक्टंट. इट्स डायल्युटेड 4% solution and used as a preservative tissue. It is also used for preserving the tissues. जर का त्याचं आपण 4% सोल्युशन आपण घेऊन आपण जे काही टिश्यूज आहेत ते आपण प्रिझर्व करू शकतो. म्हणजे आपण होल बॉडी, जर कुठे डेड बॉडी आहे त्याला आपण प्रिझर्व करायचं असेल तर त्याला आपण फॉर्मल्डिहाइड यूज करून आपण ते प्रिझर्व करू शकतो. आपलं एक डेड हार्ट आहे, ब्रेन आहे, लंग्स असेल, त्याला आपण स्टोअर करायचं असेल स्टडी करण्यासाठी, त्यासाठी आपण हे फॉर्मल्डिहाइड सोल्युशन यूज करून आपण ते प्रिझर्व करू शकतो. It is also used as antiseptic in mouthwashes and gargles. Hexamine used as urinary antiseptic. Hexamine आपण हे urinary antiseptic म्हणून आपण यूज करू शकतो. It also used in the treatment of chronic skin disease. These are some uses of formaldehyde. The official preparations are formaldehyde solution BP and formaldehyde lotion. The brand names is Formalin and Formol. These are the two brand names. The last example, that is miscellaneous. In this there will be nitrofluorination. That is also called nitrofluorine. It is not exactly an anti-infective but also used as a urinary antiseptic. The physical property, its nature is crystalline or fine powder. Color is lemon yellow. Odor is odorless. Taste is bitter. Effect of light and air, it becomes discolored. जे काही लेमन येलो कलर आहे ते जर करता आपण लाईट त्याच्यावर पडल्यानंतर सनलाईटमध्ये ठेवलं इट बिकम्स discolored. Solubility is slightly soluble in water and alcohol and also soluble in dimethyl formamide. Next is the chemical property. Nitrofluorine plus NaOH. This is the drug plus NaOH. It forms the deep yellow solution. After some time it becomes a deep red color. This is the chemical property. Next one is stability and storage. Store in tightly closed light resistant container in a cool place, and contact with metal should be avoided. And temperature should not exceed 25 degrees Celsius. This is the stability and storage. It should be stored in the tightly closed light resistant container in a cool place, and also should not contact with the metal. And temperature not exceed 25 degrees Celsius. The next one is the uses. Acts as a urinary antiseptic in the gram-positive, gram-negative bacteria. They can kill the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is a broad-spectrum antibacterial agent. These are the two uses. The official preparation, that is nitrofluorine IP and BP, nitrofluorine tablet IP and BP. Next one is the mixture BP. The brand name is Pura, Pantene, Urintoin and NFT. Okay, and this is completes your this antiseptic and disinfectant chapter. Okay, thank you.